Here are the top 10 alien-looking places on Earth. 10. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia, mirror-like salt flat. 9. Zhangye Rainbow Mountains, China, naturally striped hills. 8. Pamukkale, Turkey, white mineral terraces. 7. Danakil Depression, Ethiopia, neon-colored volcanic ground. 6. The Wave, USA, flowing sandstone rock. 5. Socotra Island, Yemen, otherworldly landscapes. 4. Giant Crystal Cave, Mexico, house-sized crystals. 3. Lake Hillier, Australia, bright pink lake. 2. Lençóis Maranhenses, Brazil, sand dunes with blue lagoons. 1. Antelope Canyon, USA, carved slot canyon walls. Earth already looks like another planet.